In this video, the procedure for changing the direction of axial pumps is explained. The pump cover is tightly secured in the vise, with the cover facing upward. To follow the points on the cylinder and crank, the air vent plug is removed, and the points are identified. The 4 bolts on the cover are removed. Carefully, the cover is rotated 180 degrees. The bolts are tightened again without any gaps. For control, the crankshaft should be rotated a few full turns. The removed air vent plug is reinstalled. Thank you for watching.